Hello everyone, for today's vlog I'm going to make a channel review on how they earn on their YouTube channel, but before that don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, click the notification bell for my latest upload. The aim of this video is to serve an inspiration to all small YouTuber and to all viewers. Disclaimer, all digits you see are purely estimated, and for the reference I use Social Blade, a public website which anyone can check nor access the site. So we are now here in Social Blade, and we're going to make a channel review, or we're going to make an estimated YouTube revenue using Social Blade sa channel ni Cruz. So as you can see, Cruz meron siyang 155 upload video sa kanyang YouTube channel, and then merong 1.2 million something na subscribers with a total video views of 106,695,989, and country is Philippines. Channel type is entertainment, and the user created May 1st 2008. So medyo matagal-tagal na yung kanyang YouTube channel, and makikita naman yung badge diyan na meron siyang badge na more than 5 years. And as you can see, the total grade in a Social Blade is letter B. Social Blade rank is 226,804. Subscriber rank is 17,807. Video views rank is 61,588. Country rank is 150. Entertainment rank is 4,836. And yung kanyang estimated, or yung kanyang subscriber for the last 30 days is meron siyang 20,000 subscribers. So 00%. So same lang ng subscriber na nakuha niya in a previous month. So ayan, kulay green yung kanyang percentage, meaning kung ano yung nakuha niya nung, or kung ilan yung subscriber niya na nag-subscribe sa kanya nung last month is same lang ngayon. And then meron siyang estimated earnings na $4,300 na minimum, and then $69,200 na maximum. And then yung kanyang video views for the last 30 days is 17 million or 17.3 million something. Mataas siya ng 1,710.4%. So i-compute natin kung magkano yung kanyang estimated earnings monthly and yearly. So makikita niyo yung kanyang estimated yearly, meron siyang $51,900 to $830,700. So ang laki nito, guys. So meron tayong calculator dito, and i-check natin kung magkano yung $4,300 times 48. So 48 because that is the exchange rate here in Philippines right now. So meron siyang 206,400. So that is a minimum for monthly estimated earnings. And meron siyang $69,200 times 48. So meron siyang 3,321,600 pesos. So that is the maximum sa kanyang estimated monthly earnings. This is wow. Ang ganda ng kanyang performance ng kanyang YouTube channel, kasi ang taas ng kanyang estimated earnings. Well, nobody knows kung magkano talaga yung nakukuha niya or how much she earned on her YouTube channel. So i-compute natin or i-convert natin sa peso yung kanyang estimated earnings yearly. So meron siyang $51,900 times 48. So meron siyang 2,491,200 pesos. So that's wow. So that is the minimum, guys. So and then yung kanyang maximum na $830,700 times 48. So meron siyang 39,873,600 pesos. That's wow. It's a huge money, guys. Parang kulang-kulang na $1 million yung kanyang estimated earnings sa isang taon. Ang laking pera nito, guys. So kung mapapansin ninyo, si Ella is a celebrity here in Philippines, and she is a dancer, and of course nagmumotor din siya. Parang yun yung kanyang pinagkakaabalan ngayon. Nagmumotor siya or sumasali siya sa motor racing. So i-check natin yung kanyang daily average ng kanyang estimated earnings and weekly average and monthly. So nandito tayo sa kanyang YouTube summary. So makikita niyo yung kanyang estimated earnings na meron siyang $6 to 96 US dollars and $6 to 93. So mabababa lang yung estimated earnings niya everyday. So kung makikita niyo din dyan yung mga video views niya and of course kung ilan yung nag-subscribe sa kanyang YouTube channel. So malaki na din yung kanyang estimated earnings. So kung everyday yun na kumikita siya ng 96, 93, 101, 127. So kapag pinagsama-sama yan within 1 month, so malaki talaga yung kalalabasan yan. So dahil nandito tayo sa kanyang daily or daily, weekly and monthly average ng kanyang estimated earnings. So if i-figure out natin kung magkano yung kanyang or ilan yung subscriber na nag-subscribe sa kanya everyday and video views and of course yung estimated earnings. So makikita niyo dito meron siyang 667 subscribers, then 576,847 video views, and then ang estimated earnings niya is $144 US dollars to $2,300 US dollars. So that is for 1 day. And then weekly average of 4,600 something na subscribers, then video views of 4,037,929. Ang estimated niya ng weekly is $1,000 US dollars to $16,200 US dollars. So that's wow. That is only for 1 week lang guys ha. And then ito yung pinakang monthly or last 30 days. So meron siyang 20,000 subscribers, then 17,305,404 total video views, and then the estimated earnings is $4,300 US dollars to $69,200 US dollars. So na-compute na natin yan at na-find out natin kung magkano yung minimum and maximum na posible niyang kitain sa kanyang YouTube channel. So anyway, as I am saying, this is only an estimated earnings and walang nakakalam kung magkano talaga yung kanyang tunay na kinikita sa kanyang YouTube channel. So gumamit tayo ng Social Blade para magkaroon tayo ng reference, and Social Blade is not that accurate. So pupunta tayo dun sa kanyang monthly gain video views for Cruz. So kung makikita ninyo dyan yung kanyang mga dot, so makikita ninyo yung video views niya ng February. So meron siyang 1 million. Ayan. So ang bawat dot na naandyan is nagre-represent kung ilang buwan ang ilang video views sa isang buwan ang kanyang na-gain. So same ng kanyang subscriber, ilang subscriber ang nakuha niya or nag-subscribe sa kanya sa isang buwan lang. So malalaki na. So meron din siya dito ng pinakamataas na graph or yung pinakamataas na point. Ayan, matataas na din yung mga ito yung pinakamataas niya, 149,000 subscribers. So yun yung pinakamataas na point niya. I guess that is 2010. So mataas yung kanyang subscribers. So that's for today's video guys, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, Ikim Rosales. Keep safe everyone. I hope you inspired to this video. Ayun.